Whenever you're working around with other people, or let's say, for example, you have a limited amount of time, then you may want to set a timer on your project as well. So if you, in order to see the timer itself on the workspace, on the top hand side, you can see that timer is an option. And once you click on timer, you can see that you can set out the timer right here. Let's say, for example, 3 minutes right here, or you can go around and type in the exact second over here as well. So this is going to be, let's say, for example, let me just go back and type in 3:15 right here, and it's 3:15, that is 3 minutes 15 seconds. You can click on plus to add in minutes and decrease the minutes as well. You can also set the sound right here according to how you want the notification to be like, or mute the sound altogether as well. And when you want to start the timer, click on start timer, and the timer will start out right here. You can see that the countdown has started just like that. You can click around over here, and then you can see that you can add in time over here as well, or add in 5 minutes, or pause out the timer over here as well, just like this, or click on resume timer button, that is the play button to resume out the timing. Or if you want to stop it out, that is stop out the timer entirely, then you can press the stop button over here as well, and it says time's up. So whenever you're collaborating with team members on the same board, or you have limited amount of time to do something, what you can do is you can use the timer feature in Mural, just like that, and you can finish out the work in certain time. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.